Oh, they fill the guards. See what, you like it?
Oh yeah, very nice.
It fills the guards. We're gonna have to lift a little bit. Okay guys and girls, it's Dave from Destination Off-Road, and if you've been following us on Instagram, you would have noticed that I posted a short little reel about showing off the brand new rig for the channel. So here it is. There we go. It's a 2005 NP Mitsubishi Pajero, not Challenger. It's a 3.8 litre V6. And it is very stock apart from a TJM alloy bull bar that we need to get rid of. Standard wheels. We think it's got upgraded shocks. I'll have to double check tomorrow, but at the moment our first little mod is going to be, oh, you can't really see in there, I've locked it, but you will notice tomorrow we'll be changing the tyres over to BFG KO2s. My old ones, my all-terrains from the Challenger. So the all-terrains from the Challenger that I don't want anymore, I'm going to keep with muddies, and I want to keep 32s on the Challenger. So this little beast is going to get my alloys. So it's going to be the first modification to this car. So stay tuned. Alright, so don't mind the whippersnipper, but here she is. So there she has my KO2s on her. What do you think?
She feels so much nicer with these on than the other crappy tyres that were on her.
Yeah.
She handles better. She's so stable on the road. Like, she's beautiful.
It's good. They're a perfect fit as well.
Yeah. She's just an absolute dream to drive.
They are filling the guards a fair bit. So maybe a 1-inch lift. Maybe.
I'm already climbing in it as it is.
Well, that's why we need to get steps for you. Looks like they cleaned 3, but not the 4th one.
Yeah, I was going to say, one of them, yeah, that front right, hey.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They do look awesome.
They do.
So that's the first upgrade. Next is mechanical work, which is done this weekend. Just come up this way. Just got the final product. So I have a timing belt kit. Sorry for the LED lights flashing. But yeah, Gates timing belt, the tensioner, Gates belt, some cam seals, front crankshaft seal, some pulleys, and a Repco water pump. So that'll be that, because it was due. I noticed that the last time it was done it was at 116,000, so it's at 220, say 227,000 I think it is now, so it is due for the actual timing belt kit to be done. So that's the next phase, and might have to put some stickers on it as well. Alright, so I can't start on the Paj because it needs to cool down after being running, but the Challenger doesn't need to cool down to do this job. It is this door, so I need to rip this whole panel off, see what's in the inside, see what I can swap over into the new door, and I'll see if I can get this new door on and get rid of this dented door. So I might put it on a time lapse, see how the time lapse goes. Alright, stay tuned. Radio, so I've got it down to pretty much the door is stripped. Just need to unplug a few more of these wires, and then I should be able to start pulling this door off. Alright, so I double checked the other door. Alright, so we'll just go in here. Alright, so I double checked the other door. Here it is. I want to try and get this off, but there's no electronics. I forgot there's nothing here, so I've got to take all the electronics and all the plugs and all the kit off the other door to put on this door. Whew, it's going to be a little bit longer. So it mustn't just be me, but whenever you're working on your car, the electrical stuff, especially these little bloody clips, in the worst spot. There's one like in here that I need to get to. There's two clips, that one and that one in there, and then I can get the cable out, and then I should be able to get this door off. But until I can get that done, I can't get this door off. And I'm getting to the point where I just want to cut the cables or cut something. But I'm just take your time. That's the one thing, just de-stress. It's Friday. Alright, so I've got it down to pretty much just the shell. Wiring loom's out. I've taken the weather shield off. People said I wasn't going to get it off. I think that's got to come off later, maybe. That one's a cleaner one. I've got to get this off, so I'll get that off later as well. But the door's almost ready to come out. So whoops, I didn't film it. Here's the new door. Whoopsie.
I can feel that getting tighter.
You get annoyed by so much stuff.
Yep.
Even just a bird. A bird annoys you.
Yeah. They do, they annoy me.
Everything annoys her.
Yeah.
You know what annoys me? Hair everywhere. Oh my god. 3 women in the family. All have long hair. And lots of it. I'm just jealous. I ask for just like an inch every night, but they won't let me have it at just an inch so I can glue it on my head so I have hair again. But no, I'm not allowed to have hair. Alright, let's keep going. Now let's see this boring crap. I'm an idiot. So much of an idiot. I'm trying to plug a plug into something that's not a plug, and it definitely doesn't go there. I need a drink. Yeah, well, might take a break because I'm about to smash my car. Yeah, when you get those times when, yeah, let's just see how Anita's going with the car. This is the most important mod for Anita. How you going?
I don't think this is going to work, hey.
I don't think it's the right size.
I don't think it's the right size either. I think I need a 40, not a 38.
I don't even, is there a 40?
Yeah, I think so. He did say I could bring it back. I've got the receipt.
I reckon that is the wrong size.
Yeah, I reckon.
So I've tried, you've tried, you've heated it up.
Yeah.
I just keep falling.
It's like...
I have to stick this down.
Yeah.
Try to figure a way.
It was sliding off the dash last night. Not last, yesterday.
So it is pretty clean. But look at those tyres. So good. But I don't like how they go too far in. Maybe you can go to a 275. Or maybe a 285. Yeah. I don't know. I'll keep going. I'll try and get this door on. Alright. So, I have a door that's not damaged again. It looks completely different because it doesn't have the little skirt down the bottom. The PO2s actually have holes in it to hold it on. I thought it was just a self-adhesive, but they're actually drilled holes, so I don't know what I'm going to do. The weather shield is back on because I've got that, and the door works. Now, going to the speakers. So that speaker was good. That speaker, holy crap. I'll actually show you what was wrong with it. Just give me 1 second. Let's go. Oh yeah, and the door closes. So it actually works. I sort of know what I'm doing. Now, Pioneer. Awesome Pioneer. Look at this. Look at this. That's the tweeter. That's what it should look like. So that had snapped off inside my door and was just rattling around like this. I would say Chinese crap, but they're made in Vietnam, so I can't say that. There you go. Well, can it focus? No, it can't focus. Anyway, yeah, I got mine done. Doors, speakers sound good. Door's good. What about you? Did you get your... Oh yeah, your mod.
Yeah.
So,
Okay.
She's got her first mod done. Herself, mind you. She's got a steering wheel cover now.
After I couldn't get the other one to fit.
Oh yeah, and I fixed her reversing camera display, so it's stuck there now. Right, yeah. You happy?
Yeah.
I'm happy. Oh wow. So this is a very different video. But for the moment that we can't go full driving, I thought I'll show you some of the behind the scenes of getting the cars ready to go back out. So today was the door and the speakers, finally. I can't believe that Pioneer speaker. Holy crap. I've never seen that happen before. But they've got JBLs in there, and they are they've got, what, 25 watts more power, operating power, just normal operating power, so they should be able to handle the head unit. There's no amp, so yeah. And with Anita, her wheels, well, my old wheels, and now her brand new wheels. So she's gone up a tiny little size, and she loves them. So she loves the way they feel, and as she said, she loves the way they feel, they handle better. So for the meantime, we'll keep it at that. I'll keep my 32s, and I'll just have to get a new set. So that's it. That's today's modifications. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for the next one. If chuck a like up if you can. It helps out the video a lot. Comment wise, I am going to be changing the way the videos are done with comments. I'm withholding the comments from now on, and I'll just review the ones that, well, I'll review all the comments from now on, because there's been a lot of keyboard warriors with too much time on their hands, and it's getting to the point where sometimes I think, why should I even bother? And I don't want to feel that way, so I'm just going to change it to withholding the comments. So your comments are very much loved, and I read every single one of them. I respond to all of them that I can. The keyboard warriors, I'm just reporting them. I have thought about actually doing a cut and paste sort of thing and putting them on Instagram and on the next video. Not a name and shame, but just showing what people think that they can get away with. So it's getting to the point where, as I said, I've contemplated not doing these videos anymore because of those comments. I'm very much not in the mood to do any more review videos, and for that reason, I'll do review videos not for products for the actual company, but not. I feel like I don't really want to put them on my YouTube channel anymore. A, because you cop abuse when it's not warranted, especially the Kings one. People are bitching about how I'm comparing a $600 swag to a $250 swag, but I was just showing the differences in levels. And if you're going out a lot more, then maybe you want that comfort, maybe you want to spend that extra money. If you don't want to spend that extra money, just keep the Kings product. I still have 7 Kings swags, and we still use them. They have their place, so I just wanted a little bit more comfort. And yeah, but otherwise, as I said, I'm blurting on, but yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. Chuck a like up, subscribe, and until next time, make your own destination. Bye.